I think Romania is part of our key focus areas. In fact, the senior vice president of our organization has identified Romania and some of the Central Eastern European markets as our key markets for growth and for constant development. We've started very recently in Romania. We are developing business with all the large telecom organizations. And today was one big event for me also as a participant into and as a presenter, understanding the interest and the ability of organizations to understand and accept new ideas, and that is very encouraging, especially in an advanced and mature market, because Romania seems to be maturing very fast, and that's a great thought, and I'm more than happy to be a part of this event. I think especially markets like Romania and others who have liberalized very recently compared to, let's say, the Western Europe, which had much more time for evolution. I think the speed of change and the speed of regulation, the speed of technology, all these elements together will hasten the pace of communications industry evolving. So the speed of evolution will be much faster, and Romanian industry players will have to be very agile, much more agile than, let's say, a more developed and mature market, because the challenges for them will come at a much faster pace because of the precedence of technology, because of the precedence and quicker availability of services and evolving partnerships in the CME space as a whole. So I do see it a much more dynamic market, like some of the markets in Asia Pacific. There's a huge growth, but at the same time there's a huge opportunity for optimization, and I think the challenges will be the same. The overall business challenges will be the same for every market, both the so-called Western mature markets as well as the evolving markets. So both actually are now almost on the plane, but it's the speed by which they can react which will drive that. One of the advantages of SAS is the fact that we try and bring together best practices. Now, if we were to look at the three major domains within the communication space, the first and the biggest investment comes in the customer life cycle management or value management expertise, and that is where you understand and optimize right up from the acquisition process to the win-back process, and in between you develop the customer, you give him the right products and services, manage the interactions in terms of analytical CRM, and on the performance side, you understand whether all the investments that you're making in the customer or in the network side are giving you the revenues and the profit margins that you're looking for. The revenues that you've collected, are they coming to you in time? Or within your business processes, are you losing revenue across the revenue management chain, right up from, let's say, the network to the collection system and the ERP? So the set of solutions that we see are common. The complexity and the maturity of the business processes within these will change, but the genesis is common. And the advantage that Romania gets from solutions like this is the ability to imbibe experiences and learn from the best practices and initiatives that other telecom operators. In Romania, you have almost all the big players present, but they have learnings, and we have provided them those experiences in other markets. So what we are trying to do is bring that IP and that set of solutions powered by the underlying SaaS technology and analytical and performance management capability into the market. So that's really our initiative. Our maximum growth generally happens when the rest of the industry is doing badly, because the challenge is when the market is down, the challenges in the market, everybody starts looking at optimizing business processes. And I don't associate optimization with cutting costs alone. That is just one of the factors. So performance management, whether it's customer profitability or product profitability, the challenge of understanding customer risk and ensuring that you don't spend more money collecting from customers whom you have already billed, the question of integrating network performance data with the customer experience data, which is collected by, let's say, your BSS systems like the post-paid billing system or CRM systems or prepaid systems, integrating that with the network performance data and the financial data is what we provide as part of a new offering, or let's say the enhanced offering for the new generation CSPs. And I see that market the same for Romania. So it is an optimization game. We are in a positive trend. Even in these bad times, we are still growing as a company. And one of the reasons is because organizations are revamping their processes. They are undergoing transformational exercises. And as part of managing the transformation, that is really what we provide as value. So these are the kind of solutions that we are bringing to the market.